Yehovah Elohim Tzvaot. Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me, and cover me and stir me, and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself. And you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hand, behold, nail, behold. Psalm chapter 80. For the leader set to lilies, a testimony, a psalm of Asaph. Shepherd of Israel, listen, you who lead Yosef like a flock. You whose throne is on the cherubim, shine out. Before Ephraim, Benjamin, and Manasseh, rouse your power and come to save us. Elohim, restore us. Make your face shine, and we will be saved. Yehovah, Elohim of armies, how long will you be angry with your people's prayers? You feed them tears in their bed and make them drink tears in abundance. You make our neighbors fight over us, and our enemies mock us. Elohim of armies, restore us. Make your face shine, and we will be saved. You brought a vine out of Egypt and expelled the nations and planted it. You cleared a space for it. Then it took root firmly and filled the land. The mountains were covered with its shade, the mighty cedars with its branches. It put out its branches as far as the sea and shoots to the Euphrates River. Why did you break down the vineyard's wall? So that all passing by can pluck its fruit. The boar from the forest tears it apart. Wild creatures from the fields feed on it. Elohim of armies, please come back. Look from heaven, see, and tend this vine. Protect that your right hand planted. The sun you made strong for yourself. If it is burned by fire, it is cut down. Then they perish at your frown of rebuke. Help the man of your right hand, the son of man you made strong for yourself. Then we won't turn away from you if you revive us. We will call on your name, Yehovah Elohim Tzvaot. Restore us. Make your face shine, and we will be saved. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this fascinating 80th chapter of Psalm? Call out to Yehovah, our shepherd, who sits on his throne, who has the power to save and restore. Ask for his face to shine, and we will be saved. Love Yehovah by persistently seeking his restoration, trusting in his mercy, longing for his favor to bring deliverance and peace. Love Yehovah by recognizing his provision and care, flourishing under his guidance and spreading his glory to all places. Love Yehovah by seeking his restoration, relying on his strength, and entrusting yourself to his care and guidance. Love Yehovah by staying faithful, calling on his name, and seeking his revival to remain close to him. How can we love our neighbors as Yeshua loves us? By interceding for their restoration, sharing hope in Yehovah's salvation, and reflecting his care and faithfulness. Top 3 applicable fruits of the Spirit found in Psalm 80. 1. Faithfulness. Remain steadfast in trusting Yehovah's power to restore and save. 2. Hope. Keep seeking his face and believing in his promise to bring renewal. 3. Love. Intercede for others, desiring their restoration and flourishing under Yehovah's care. We'll end with the Arianic blessing on this Friday night Shabbat using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being toward you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Shabbat shalom, shalom, shalom.